guys, do you want to improve your content strategy and gain Google ranking? It's time to use Neuronwriter to unlock the power of AI. Today, we're going in-depth on the Neuronwriter Lifetime Deal, a groundbreaking tool for content creation and SEO. Whether you're an established author or just getting started, you won't want to miss this offer. Let's look at the video on how Neuronwriter can change the way you create material. What is Neuronwriter? An AI-powered writing assistant called Neuronwriter was created to speed up article production. It uses cutting-edge algorithms to create high-quality content, monitor competition, and improve SEO. Are you writing essays, emails, or blog posts? Neuronwriter offers real-time comments, edits, and ideas to ensure your writing is interesting and optimized for search engines. For bloggers, copywriters, and marketing firms, it's a game-changer that streamlines and improves the writing process. Exclusive lifetime deal alert on Appsumo. Even though Neuronwriter's initial list price is fairly high, Appsumo offers lifetime access for just $89. Remember that this is a one-time payment. Let's look at Neuronwriter's cost, which is reasonable considering all of its features. Single package. Originally priced at $750, it is now available for a one-time purchase of just $89. 2 projects. 25 content analysis queries monthly. 15,000 AI credits monthly. Read-only sharing level. Chrome extensions for Gdocs, WordPress, and Shopify. Standard AI templates. Double package. Originally $1,500, now for just $178. 5 projects. 50 content analysis queries monthly. 30,000 AI credits monthly. New content ideas for your content plan. Multiple package. Previously $2,250, grab it now for only $267. 10 projects. 75 content analysis queries monthly. 45,000 AI credits monthly. Enhanced sharing levels, create, edit, read. Standard and advanced AI templates. Integrations with GSC and WordPress. AI-driven long-form content designer. Task management. 75 plagiarism checker credits monthly. Each package is available for a one-time purchase, and the number of codes you need varies per package. So whether you're a solo content creator or a large agency, there's a Neuronwriter package tailored for you. Take advantage of these exclusive deals and elevate your content game with Neuronwriter. Buy now. 6 amazing Neuronwriter's key features you don't want to miss. AI-powered writing assistants. Get suggestions, corrections, and feedback to enhance your content's clarity and coherence. SEO optimization. Boost your content's ranking potential with Neuronwriter's advanced SEO tactics. Content research. Quickly research your competitors' articles and understand what it takes to top Google's rankings. NLP-based recommendations. Craft content using natural language processing for better engagement and understanding. Content planning. Organize and prioritize your content based on market trends. Plagiarism detection. Ensure your content's uniqueness and originality. And so much more, so why wait? Grab the Appsumo deal that offers a massive discount and get this game-changing tool for just $89. Who benefits from Neuronwriter? Bloggers, copywriters, marketing agencies, SEO professionals. It's time to up your content game with Neuronwriter if you or someone you know falls into these categories. Grab a 10% extra deal from Appsumo. Eyes on the Neuronwriter lifetime deal on Appsumo? Here's some exciting news. Extra 10% off alert. There is a way to receive an additional 10% discount on top of the fantastic $89 offer. Saving after saving. How to grab this deal? Visit the Neuronwriter lifetime deal page on Appsumo. Watch for the pop-up discount. Your email address? To complete the purchase, enter the same email. Look in your inbox for the 10% discount offer. Reviews that Neuronwriter lifetime deal on Appsumo gets. Interested in what actual users have to say about Neuronwriter? Explore some real reviews to see the magic in action. Are you still thinking about it? Avoid missing out before it expires. Secure your lifetime deal. Are you prepared to reinvent how you produce content? Explore the world of Neuronwriter. Check the video description link, visit an AMP, review the features, and take advantage of the lifetime bargain while supplies last. Please remember to use the like, share, and subscribe buttons if you found this review useful and would like to see more tech tutorials and reviews.